Here, and this is the COSORI rice cooker, and I've had several rice cookers in my life, and I'm going to tell you exactly why this one has a feature that others don't that you really need to look at. So this one is actually a pretty large feature here, and it has the LCD buttons right here. We're gonna get an up close look. It opens right from the bottom outside, and let's actually go ahead and get into the nitty gritty of what comes inside of it, how to use it, and what the features are. It comes in the envelope here. It is the paperwork that you're gonna need. It's gonna come with a manual. It's gonna come with a recipe book. How to start using it here. It's going to come with a full reference guide, how to set it up in the beginning and all that stuff. Warranty card right here. Let's take a look at what actually comes inside the air fryer. We're going to get a spatula as well as a measuring cup in there so you guys can actually work with it. The inner pot over here, the inner pot is quite large. The inside of the pot is actually going to tell you where to fill up and have in there, whether it's barley, whether it's rice, what it is. It's actually going to have the labeling right inside. And then you have the steamer here. The steamer in here is quite large. So it's larger than your normal steamers. And once you fill up water, when you have it in there, the water is going to stand under it. So there is a room inside the pot to put this in and have it still stand under it and steam all the vegetables you want. I know I'm going to be taking advantage of that a lot. So we have the white rice, the oatmeal, to keep warm, quick rice, grains, and brown rice. Let's hit the mode. On the mode, you're going to, you have slow cook, steam, saute, cancel, delay timer, and start. I think delay timer, you can do up to 24 hours in there. So if you want to do it overnight or at work, while you're at work or something like that, you can do that. You can also do quick rice on there. For instance, if we want white rice, you're also going to choose if you want long grain, medium grain, short grain, porridge. So whatever you want, you can do, and you can do white rice, well, the type of texture you want in there, soft, regular, or hard. I think most people just go with the regular. Soft is going to be soggier. Hard is going to have a little crunch to it, I think, but regular is where most people end up when they're doing that. So for all these features, you can set up different ones. So cancel. Let's do grains here. Grains, you're going to have quinoa, barley, farro. And let's cancel that. So it changes the time according to the type of rice that you're doing or the type of grain that you're doing on there. Oatmeal. We have steel, cut, rolled, or quick. So again, you choose which one you want. Quick rice is just going to be one setting on there. And keep warm is just going to be setting it for about 10 minutes here. You can adjust it, and I'm just going to keep it warm. So it's not going to keep cooking it, but it's going to keep it warm. As you can see back there, I also have the Turbo Blaze. That's a great machine too. I do have a separate video for that one if you guys want to check it out. So when we push up here, this is going to loosen. You know what that's going to do? That's going to remove this. This is always the one thing that gets really gunky and nasty and so hard to clean on other ones. This one, you can actually remove it and clean it. And it does have a place where it collects all the water that vaporizes and things like that. So you're also going to want to open up this one and clean it. So what I love about this machine is that it does have all the features to make it so easy to clean. Just close this back up. This, when you put it in there, is going to be put right in this place here. So it snaps right in. I just couldn't do it while the camera was in my way. It snaps right in. Another place you want to be careful to clean, that's just very easy. Once you have these out of here, let's move these out. All right, so this crevice here, it's always any overflow, things like that, instead of going out of the pot, it's going to collect in here. So you kind of want to clean that out too when you're cleaning it, and then just wipe down everything. These are removable. The dishwasher safe. I definitely feel like this machine has enough diversity in it and does enough work in there that it's definitely a great investment. While I've gotten some of those lower end valued machines, and with the cleaning of it and it gets gunky and nasty, I tend to throw them out. really easily. If you are interested in looking at taking an up close look for this, I am going to leave links to it in the description below. Please do, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. So we will also be trying some of those great recipes in the book. So if you guys want to see what's done in there and how to kind of make everything, do go ahead and follow along.